dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Cold outside, it tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way.
I'm just taking a break from cleaning to eat lunch. And I'm eating this leftover meatloaf pie from last night. It's so good. So good. I'll have to make it in a video. I was gonna film it last night, but I just didn't feel like it. It was amazing. It's so easy. But yesterday's workout was leg day. I didn't stretch out the side of my hips enough. Oh my god. While vacuuming, every time I move my leg, there's like pain in the side of my butt on both sides. So I have to roll that out later and maybe take a bath, but probably not. I'll probably just roll it and like stretch it more. I already stretched it this morning after my workout, but dang, it hurts. Okay, my phone won't turn on and it's literally just spinning. What the heck? Makes me a little nervous. Okay, I'm a little stressed out right now because my phone literally won't stop spinning that stupid wheel, and it turns on for like a second if I do the hard reset, and then it turns back off. So I tried to contact Apple support. You need to know, to get anywhere, like to call them, to do the chat, you need your SIM number, which is on your phone, which won't turn on. So then I plugged it into my computer because you can find it on iTunes, and it says my phone's locked, so I need to put the password in on my phone that won't turn on before I can get my SIM number. And I can't call Apple because I don't have a phone. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna have to wait for Derek to come home and use his phone, I guess. Like, I literally just don't have a phone. Thankfully I have my iPad so I can text. So I've been texting people still from my iPad, but I have no way to call unless it's FaceTime. And it's kind of like, okay, does anyone else think this is a theory? So my contract after 2 years was up like 2 weeks ago. And now all of a sudden my phone starts kapooting, like a little bit fishy, and that happened to my husband's phone also. So I don't know, I don't like it, but might have to go get a new phone, which is really inconvenient. So and I'm on the corporate plan, which is through my work, so you can only go to one certain store to get a new phone, and it's pretty far away, and I don't know if they're open on Sundays. But I might have to go there tomorrow, or it's only one now, so I could go there today, but I don't know. I don't know a lot about technology. And this, it's kind of been acting a little weird, but I thought it was my internet, but I think it was my phone. So I don't know what to do now. But I'm gonna take Ruger out, because what else am I gonna do? Okay, so I'm really annoyed about my phone, so I gave up on cleaning for a minute, and I am gonna make some gluten-free peppermint chocolate donuts. I made donuts before, and I really liked, well, they weren't like amazing, but they were interesting, let's just say that. So I got 2 eggs, 1 cup of almond flour. These ones are gonna have peppermint extract in them, which, like, I'm obsessed with peppermint, so I think they'll probably be a little bit better than the other ones, because the other ones were just chocolate, but the peppermint also is like super good for hiding flavors. So I got this off of this girl called Choosing Balance. I'm so frustrated with my phone right now. I can't even, like, just sucks because they're so far away to get a new one if I need to, or even just go to the Apple stores. Country probs. Okay. Then you're gonna do a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Then 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. So last time I did find that they, like, weren't sweet enough almost. I think that was the problem, if I recall. Almond flour sometimes also has a really weird texture, so you just have to be ready for it. Oh gosh, I don't have any baking powder. Forgot to get some at the store. Vanilla, an extract. What if we put in baking soda? I knew I was out and I forgot. Not cool. Not cool at all. Okay, so vanilla. It says 1 teaspoon, like, baking powder. Do you think it'll make a difference? Half a teaspoon of peppermint. This stuff is really strong, so I would actually measure this. Oh, it smells so good though. What if I put in like a bit of baking soda? That will make up for the lack of baking powder. It's fine. Okay, we're gonna put in like just a little bit. I made some pumpkin oats the other day, and I didn't have any baking powder, and we survived. Then the topping for this is really good in my opinion. You melt chocolate chips with coconut oil and it hardens on top. Then yesterday I bought some candy canes, so we're gonna crush those up. We're gonna put them on top too. Okay, so I sprayed this down because you really don't want to have sticky donuts. Then I'm just gonna put some in here. Fix it after. I think last time I made these, it only made 5. Now you put it in at 325 for 12 minutes. It says make 6 to 7 donuts. I don't believe that. Okay, so for the icing, you want to melt 1/4 cup of chocolate chips with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. And I'm just gonna do it in the microwave, and I don't think I'll do it yet because I just put them in, so I think I'm gonna wait till they're almost ready and then do it, so then it doesn't harden in the bowl. Okay, so I just unwrapped some candy canes and put them in here. Crush them like too much, maybe. Raise this up. Okay, so update. I just really burnt my thumb grabbing the chocolate out of the microwave because I wasn't thinking. But I have to go to the mall, which is like, oh, my thumb hurts so bad. Go to the mall, which is like 35 minutes from here, because they couldn't fix it, because she's like, well, you need a phone to call us. I'm like, well, I don't have a phone. She's like, borrow one. I'm like, I literally don't know anybody around me. So I have to go to the mall for 3:35. I think I really burnt my thumb, like it's swelling and it really hurts. But the mall, it's a fun place to be on a Saturday before Christmas. do not look as good as the last time I made them. I'm just gonna do this because I really don't care anymore. I was gonna make these for my Instagram, so I'll probably have to redo them anyway because I can't even take pictures. Voila. They probably taste good. They just don't look as good as I was like hoping. Okay, they are really good. Highly recommend. They look awful. I wasn't planning on going anywhere today. But I'm just gonna take off now and just run into the mall and hopefully I can fix my phone because I don't even know if I have it all the iCloud stuff up to date and whatever. This is still what it's doing. I've never even had a phone do that. Like, I've had phones break before, but I've never seen them do that. So I feel bad because I have to leave Rooks, but this cannot go on this way. Like a pile of garbage. I think my husband left me the car. He took his car today, which he normally doesn't do, but maybe it was a sign. Okay, I will talk to you when I get home. I'm home. I just took Roogs out. It is pouring rain, and I have dinner on. So apparently, after being there for an hour, apparently if you run out of storage on your phone, it basically like glitches itself out. So it literally was so full that it couldn't even turn on. So they had to like do something. Thank God everything I had was backed up, so I didn't lose anything. But FYI, for those of you who just ignore the storage thing like I did, don't do that, don't do that. So I'm just gonna have dinner, start a fire. Me and Roogs are just gonna have mommy and doggy night because I think Derek's gonna be pretty late. But I'll show you what I put on for dinner. This recipe is so simple, really good and healthy. It is some chicken. Just put on some chicken breast under here. Season the chicken, salt, pepper, garlic. Then this is all chicken, and then peppers I cut up. Then you mix together equal parts plain Greek yogurt and salsa, and then add some taco seasoning. It's really good. You can add cheese too if you want, but I just decided to skip that tonight, and it smells amazing. Okay, it doesn't look that appetizing, but it's really good, I promise. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.